What's up, everybody? This is John with Homebuyer Louisiana. I am in a house in Baton Rouge that you can see. Sorry for the spin. Has a lot of stuff in it. The seller came to us. She inherited this property from a relative, and she didn't know what to do with all the stuff. Didn't want to deal with unloading it. So she asked us to help out. We were able to get a price that worked for her. And she's going to take the money and travel the world with it. So she's super excited. We're super excited. And yeah, this is great. We buy houses in any condition with all the stuff in it. You don't have to worry about emptying it out. We take care of all that. And so yeah, if you have a house in any condition with all the stuff, we're happy to take a look at it. Just visit us at www.homebuyerlouisiana.com and yeah, get a free offer. And hopefully, yeah, we'll be able to help you out. Thanks, and talk to you soon.